Hey friends, this is VeThor here. Val and welcome to the new update on VeThor. Recently, after this rejection, this very long-term uptrend and resistance, the price of VeThor is now dropped down here at this long-term support zone. That's not from $0.005 from half cents and goes to $0.0045. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we tested the bottom of the support zone and geared up. But again, got rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.007. For the past several days, you can see that the price is getting rejected by this resistance. By the way, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.007 has been previously working as a resistance here back in the month of Feb 2024. Before that, it was working as a resistance here in the month of March 2022 as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a strong resistance. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. I would also like to show you this very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout almost for the past 1 or 2 years when it was moving inside this wedge. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, from this low to here, VeThor has rallied more than 1,306%. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VeThor that I shared on 2nd of December 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish garlic pattern that VeThor formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 54% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of VeThor. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this channel. After the breakout, we had a nice pump. The technical target that I've been telling you in my so many previous videos for this breakout from the channel was here at the top of the channel. That was approximately at $0.007, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target. It got rejected by this uptrend line resistance. This is, by the way, quite long-term uptrend line resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance is coming from the month of June 2020. We had a rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that is happening here, almost on 20th of January 2025. And now we are testing this very long-term support zone that starts from $0.005 and goes to $0.0045. That was previously breaking as a resistance zone here. Let me just show you back on the 7 days time frame chart because this is a quite long-term support and resistance level. And on the 7 days time frame chart, it will be more visible because that recently it was breaking at a rejection here. For several weeks, it has been breaking at a resistance here as well. And before that, it was breaking as support here and support here. And now again, it is breaking at it as support for the price line of VeThor. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then we tested the support, geared up, but could not break out this resistance of $0.007. And now we are again about to test this support zone. For example, if the price zone breaks down this support zone, that will be quite difficult for the price zone of VeThor because there's a quite long-term support zone. Then we may test the next support here. That will be at $0.003. That was recently also breaking at the resistance here for several days or weeks and support here as well. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then we have already achieved the target for the breakout from the smaller down channel, but still the price did not hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And that technical target will be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.